Hi, I'm Kendall with Kendall's Greenhouse. I just want to show you really quick how I trim hellebore foliage. You can see that the old foliage from last year, even though it doesn't look very bad, it's kind of covering up the new blooms that are coming up here. This plant will create all new foliage from the base, so I don't need to keep all of this on here. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to cut off these older chewed up pieces that don't look quite as good, and I'm gonna give these flowers, here's an example of kind of an ugly one right here, give these flowers a little bit more room to bloom and look beautiful. So I'm just being really careful that I'm not cutting any of the flower stalks. I'm making sure to check each time that it's a leaf, and then I cut. Can't believe it's already hellebore season. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again in the greenhouse soon.